Okay, we have yesterday's bong. It's, a little dirty. It's not necessarily all that particularly bad, but that doesn't really mean a whole lot if it, yuck. So there's a little bit of the Mile High Cleaner. Here is the Canamag. I'm going to drop the shuttle in and now scrub it. It goes very, very fast. There we go. Okay. So that's all the way through. I am going to take a little bit of dish detergent and scrub that in as well. And that goes around pretty quickly. There we go. Okay, I think that's done. I'm going to take the double-ended bong brush and do the upper level so that it's done. A little bit in there. I'm going to take the brush and the stem, rinse that out just a little bit more, and I'm going to take a little bit of the goo that's inside. Okay, that's probably about enough. Now I'm scrubbing out the interior, or the interior and the exterior of that stem. That is perfectly clean and ready to go. The bong itself, take a little bit of the detergent and scrub the exterior as well. So, not that it was that dirty of a bong, but having a dirty bong is not some sort of rite of passage. It is not, hey, can I take a hit from the most smelly, disgusting bong there is? Because that bong does not reflect the flavor of the weed. The flavor of the weed. The flavor of the weed. But a perfectly clean bong certainly does. And this is ready to smoke. Mile High Cleaner. The right tools, the healthy cleaner. The best way to clean your bong. Visit milehighcleaner.com.